Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reveal a hidden last seen status on WhatsApp. Let's dive right in. If someone has hidden their last seen or even blocked you, and you're wondering how to check it, here's what you need to do. First, open up the Play Store and download a specific app that will help you with this. Once the app is installed, open it and click on Start. Tap Next, and then select the Add Contact option. Now, enter the name and phone number of the person whose last seen status you want to track. After that, hit Add Contact and press Track. In my case, you'll notice that there's no data showing because the app only allows you to check someone's last seen status twice a day. If you exceed this limit, you'll need to make an additional payment. By using this app, you can easily view a person's last seen on WhatsApp, even if they've hidden it. That's all for today. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.